Hello everyone, this is Imran Ali here. Welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to talk about how to set up our recurring payments on Stripe. So as you can see, we are at Stripe and this is my new account for this tutorial. So if you don't know how to set up your payments and every single thing on Stripe, you can just check it out on our channel. So right now we are here, and what is recurring? So recurring is easily describable as subscription payments or recurring billing. So actually take place when customers authorize a merchant to charge them repeatedly for goods or service on a pre-arranged schedule like monthly, weekly, daily or annually. So in other cases, like if I give you an example like Netflix, so if you are like subscribing for the Netflix, it will charge you monthly, right? And what if Netflix charge you like another like yearly, or 6 months or 3 months, if they have that plan. So if you want to like make or create that plan, so how you are going to do that, right? So easily go back to your products, and you are going to create a product, right? So click on add product and you will end up over here. So how we are going to do that? So here you can just add you can add just like a premium plan or silver plan or bronze plan. So I'm just gonna write a premium plan. As you can see, this is a suggestion, so I'm just gonna do that. Easy, right? So right now you can see we can just easily upload our image, like what we are providing them, and you can just add over here like premium plan for this, premium plan for this. You can just add description over here, and if you click on additional options, you will have your more options out there, statement descriptor, unit label, metadata. But if you need to do that, you just need to open this and go ahead. Otherwise, for me this is great and I'm going with this. Next option is price information. So first option is like what model you want, like standard pricing or package pricing, like per package. Obviously we are not going to send a package, right? We are giving a service just like Netflix. So for this tutorial, right, I'm just going to explain this as a Netflix tutorial and a demo, like if you want to do that. So eventually if you want you want to give your customer like monthly something, and like on accordingly units, you can just go ahead and click on packaging pricing and how much that cost. So graduated pricing and volume pricing, you just click on it and you will understand like what is going on. But we are going with the standard pricing, and I will charge around like $300. And obviously if you click on over here, you have your all currency over here, and just click on this any currency you want, right? After that you can add more currencies if you want, like to describe your customers. And we are going with the recurring. Obviously we are not going with the one-time payments. We are not going to talk about that. We are talking about recurring, right? After that we have billing period. Obviously it sounds like what is billing period, right? It's obviously weekly, monthly, every 3 months, 6 months, yearly, or if you want to customize that, you can also do that. It's very easy. So I'm just going with this, like every 3 months my customer have to pay $300, right? So it's very easy to understand right now. You can just click on additional options, price description, like why are you charging, and or like what services you are going to provide under this plan. Obviously this is a premium plan, right? I just named that. You can just remember that you can add your pictures and description. I'm not going to do that because obviously it's just like a demo. You can add your another price if you want, just click on it. Otherwise just go ahead and click on save product. Simple as that. So right now you can see this is our product, and this is what we are going to send to our people. So now what you need to do, you need to click on this create payment link, because this is the pricing and this is the product. So why we are going to create payment link? Why? Because I will tell you right now. If you click on this, it will end up over here, and you can see this is how it will look like to our customers when you send this. And this is a desktop view, and if they open up in their on their mobile, you can like they can see this like over like this, right? Simple as that. So you are just like you are going to send this to your customer, and you can just select the site like product or subscription. Like if you can see, if you like to choose a different type of link, create new payment link. So you can just create a payment link and you can just send that to your customer. Like how, if I am going to click on create link, it will end up over here, and this link I can share with my people, and they can just like if my friend want to subscribe to my premium plan, whatever you are like proposing it, I'm just going to send a QR code or copy this link and send it to him. And after that he just need to open that, and how it will look like I just showed you, like view payment link. You can just go ahead and check that out, like how it looks like, and they will fill that out and easily they can subscribe to my premium plan. So let's just suppose I have that customer already, but if I want to apply this plan on my customer, like over here you can see there's an option for customer. If I have a customer already, how you are going to apply this option on that customer, existing customer? So I'm just going to show you that right now. Obviously it has been done over here till now, everything has been completed. So you created your payment link, which is called recurring link, and after every 3 months it will cost around 300 USD. So if you go at your customer now, and if you want to add, like you have your customer, right? If you want to add that subscription to this customer like individually, you can also select multiple obviously, but if you want to select this one, and if you scroll down, you can see there are multiple options over here, like invoices, created balance, invoices, and subscriptions, and so we need to assign this customer my subscription which I have recently created. So click on subscription and you will find that here, this is my subscription which I'm going to charge for her. If I click on it, you can just set the quantity. Obviously it's not about quantity. You can add the tax if you want. You can add a coupon if they have provided you. You can set the subscription schedule, like from where to start that and where it will end. Start billing cycle on this day. Free trials, if you want to give a free trials, how many free trials you want, like how many days for like that free trial would go for. And payment methods, like automatically charge a payment method on file, or email invoice to the customer, pay manually. So it will send an email to your customer on that email, and easily they will see that, and they will manually, after 3 months, if they don't want to uh, you know apply more of this, more like my plan, they can easily don't. Otherwise they can just go ahead and just give me like automatically charge. You can add some memo like thank you for doing business with us, and add additional options like descriptions and why, what are you going to give in this plan, and why are you like charging it this much and whatever. And you can add footer too. Easy, right? After that, just click on start test subscription, and that's it. Obviously it's not like it's not working right now because my payment method is not even, because this is my new account, right? So that's it. This is all you need to know, how you are going to set up your recurring payments in Stripe, and how you are going to apply that on an existing customer. So it's very easy to understand. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand every single thing. Please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any queries, comment down below, let us know. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.